Alright guys, so this is a bit of a treat, not gonna lie. Let me show you around this fucking beast. This is a sneak peek of my new bike, and you probably won't expect it. Yamaha fucking MT10. Oh man, it's the first time I've ridden it. Oh, look how wet the seat is. It's nice and cold out. I have to be careful, these tires are stone cold. Oh man. Quick shifter. Ah, quick shifter. Oh man, the power. Holy fuck. I can't believe I bought a MT10. This is my first big boy bike. Oh, it's in miles an hour, forgot about that. Traction control kicked in, it's nice and cold. Oh man, look at this fucking thing. This is beautiful! I wish I had a blipper. It'd be so nice if I had a blipper, like a down blipper. Oh my god. I can't believe I bought an MT10, and I don't think anyone would have expected an MT10. I know a few people said I'm gonna get one, but honestly I was planning on an MT09. Oh, traction control. Nice and cold it is today. Can't fucking believe it. This is nice. This is my first big boy bike, you know, 1000cc. Oh man, that quick shift is fucking lovely. I'm just so excited. I haven't ridden it. Oh, the power is just beautiful. So I have it in pussy mode and pussy traction control just because it's cold. The tires are actually new and they're shit, and because I've never ridden the bike, so unfortunately I have to keep it in pussy mode just for a little while. Oh, the fucking sound of that cross plane is fucking beautiful. So what do you guys think? Do you guys approve of the new beast? Oh guys, quick shifter. I fucking can't tell you how nice a quick shifter is. I'm sorry, this isn't a review. It's not even really like a first impressions, to be honest, because I'm just kind of coming to terms that I bought one and it's mine. So as I was saying, I didn't plan on buying an MT10. I ruled it completely out because of insurance and because of price of them. But insurance ended up being a little bit cheaper for whatever reason with this bike instead of an MT09, and I got such a good fucking deal. Got a really good deal. So this is a 2018, fucking 4,000 miles on it. Got to get that changed now into kilometers. Why I got this, just because I got such a good deal. Instead of waiting for an MT09, an MT10 has everything the MT09 has and more, so why not get it? Let's see now, will it come up, because this thing just wants to fucking wheelie. Whoa! Holy fucking Jesus. And that's in shitty, that's in the standard mode on wheelie control. Oh my fucking god, this thing is amazing. Let me, can I do it when it's, how do I go down? I seen it go down. Oh, it's not going down. I have to get used to that quick shifter. Holy fuck, this thing's nice. This bike feels beautiful. Now obviously I'm taking it very easy because, as I said, new tires, cold tires, shite tires I think, Maxes. but like the fucking power. Jesus Christ. Nearly fucking 100 miles an hour there. Why? How do I do this? Go down. Oh, we're going down. Okay, now we're in one. Stick it in two in second gear and just fuck me. Right, that's going back up. Oh guys, I just can't tell you how fucking excited I am. I got a bug. Is there a bug on the lens now? Cannot tell you guys how excited I am to have this. So this is like pretty much just completely stock, apart from it has Yamaha heated grips, and it actually has fucking lovely Gillies levers, like really nice levers. So, oh guys, I'm so excited. As I said, it kind of was a spur of the moment, to be honest. I seen it, and I don't know, it just, when I found out about insurance, I was like, right, okay, I kind of have to have it. I kind of have to have it. Just listen to fucking exhaust. Oh my god. Oh my god. That power. The fucking power. So what do we think of the new beast? The name worthy of a beast. Can't believe I fucking have one. I'm not gonna lie and say, oh, this is my dream bike. I kind of really ruled this bike out. I also don't really like the look of it, but then I also love the look of it at the same time, because the look just suits the bike. It suits how the bike rides and feels. And you don't get that with a lot of bikes. A lot of bikes you're like, eh, whatever. But this just looks fucking mean. It rides mean. Like, good god, guys. It has the cruise control. How do I set it? Ooh. I think I have to be above a certain speed. How do I do it? This one? Ah! I don't know. Oh! Oh! I got it! That's fucking weird. Oh my god, that's fucking weird. Jesus. That's so weird. Obviously I'm gonna have to mess around with the bike, and I'll have to get used to the huge switchgear. Jesus Christ. Okay, so it makes sense. Click in that, and that makes sense. Just, yeah. Fucking course you're going my eye. So what do we think? I was gonna do a reveal video today, but see, it's dark. Oh, the sound is just beautiful. That, oh, guys, you don't understand how excited I am. Like, this is my first 1000cc, my first big boy bike. You know, like, it's exciting times. Just that power, even in 6, like, good god. Okay, let's try this. That's fucking so strange. And then I think you can tap the back and it shuts off. What does this do? Yeah, you can touch the back and, oh guys. Fucking hell, guys, you don't know how excited I am. I know, and this video is a complete ramble, but what an absolute beautiful bike. To be completely honest, it's the first time I've ridden it. I bought it without riding it, but I bought it from a dealer, and I knew what I was getting myself into with the dealer. They're not going to sell shite. They have too much of a reputable name. I'm going to try. Whoa, okay, that's different. already. Just a little bit of throttle. This is in low, the one traction control, mode 1. Fucking hell. Oh my god. Jesus. Fucking hell. My god, guys. Fuck me. Oh, I'm so excited. I hope you guys are excited. As for mods, I really don't know, to be honest. I'm going to keep it stock for a little while. Probably a few little carbon fiber pieces. What's a headlight? Whoa, that's a good headlight. Holy fuck. You know, a few carbon fibers. Carbon fiber looks nice. This doesn't have a blipper, does it? Because I don't think it does, but going down gear, fairly nice. Yeah, I don't know about exhaust yet. To be honest, I really don't know. This dark fire is making it really dark out. Whoa, that's third gear, holy fucking Jesus. Oh guys, I'm so excited. I hope you guys are as excited as I am. So I know a little bit about the bike, not much. There's not a lot of videos about the 2018. My fucking god, this bike is a beast. Going from an MT-07 to this, Christ alive, I'm excited. How easy are the heated grips used? Whoa, that's so easy. I got excited over heated grips. Oh guys, it's such a nice bike. But yeah, mods, I don't know. Exhaust I'm going to leave for now, as I don't know what I want to get. But look, I'm going to fucking leave it here. Just what the fuck can I say, you know? Guys, I'm going to leave the video here. Leave a like if you're excited for a new bike. I still can't believe I fucking bought an MT-10. I bought it a while ago, but I was on holidays and I'm only back as of last night. So yeah guys, hope you're excited. Once I get my balls, once I get a little bit used to it, we'll start thinking about mods. I'm gonna do the fucking traction control or the cruise control. That's amazing. Oh, I'm so happy. Cruise control, holy shit, it's amazing. But that guys, I'm gonna leave the video. Hope you enjoyed. Like, comment and subscribe. I'll talk to you all in the next video.